The Jaintia National Council JNC Central Executive Committee on Friday submitted a complaint to the Deputy Commissioner of East Jaintia Hills opposing Shree Cement Limited's proposed integrated cement plant at Daistong village. The delegation led by JNC President Sambor Milingdo alleged that the project was based on an illegal land transaction involving a non-tribal buyer. In the memorandum, the JNC said the company's environmental impact assessment report submitted to the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board on the 19th of December 2025 mentioned a land deal between non-tribal individual Bharat Sharma and tribal landowner Sirpailang Suklain. The NGO stated that the transaction violated the Meghalaya Transfer of Land Regulation Act 1971, which prohibits transfer of tribal land to non-tribals without statutory permission from the competent authority and the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. Lingdo maintained that the EIA lacked mandatory documents such as the Autonomous District Council's approval, mutation records and permissions under the 1971 Act, and therefore the deal was invalid from the start. The memorandum also cited violations of the Meghalaya State Investment Promotion Facilitation Act 2024 and provisions of the EIA Notification 2006. The group criticized the Pollution Control Board for scheduling a public hearing without verifying land ownership, alleging that such oversight could open the way for corporate intrusion into tribal land protected under Article 371B of the Indian Constitution. The JNC further dismissed Shree Cement's employment assurances, arguing that the area is already largely agrarian, the local workforce lacks required industrial skills, and no training roadmap has been presented. It also accused the government of neglecting demands under the JNC's Save Jaintia mission, which has since 2024 pressed for mandatory local hiring policies. The organization warned of possible civil unrest if the project proceeds without addressing land and regulatory concerns, and said the government would be responsible for any fallout arising from procedural lapses. After receiving the memorandum, the Deputy Commissioner reportedly assured the delegation that he would take up the matter with higher authorities and furnish a written response within a few days. The JNC has demanded an immediate probe into the land's chain of title, verification of all documents, and instructions to the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board and the State Environment Impact Assessment Authority to suspend the scheduled public hearing. It said allowing the project to proceed without scrutiny would set a dangerous precedent for tribal land dispossession.
Negasngi nilang yang ika Jaintia National Council dia UHM wa Deputy Commissioner yang ka East Jaintia Hill District haden wa ka Meghalaya State Control Pollution Board da pemi ka kowi ka notification wa da ka public hearing yang kani ka MS Shree Cement ceta nong khle da ina ka liang ka JNC hawa download ia kini ki kod kisla yang kini ki company ki wada buat ki website yang ka Pollution Control Board manda study ia kini ki kod kisla chemi wato kejing approach yang kini ke company wa conduct ka public hearing manga ka waman beain lene ka wa illegal ne bhakat kam wa pat ia kejing yadai the de ka khandau ia kata ka thau ki wa mut jusen ka company ka yang ki da yadai the haprdi uta u Sirpai Bha Suklain wa uta u Bharat Sharma wa represent ya kini ka MS Shree Cement kawa penmani ikesen wa lai bo complain na chau DC wa dawa pensenge ya kini ka public hearing to ne daw wa kini ki arngut da violate gi ya ka Meghalaya Land Transfer Act ne bhakat kam ka Meghalaya Land Transfer Act hawa unu utre muluk le tribal hawa kwa udaya kitau yang go chakinan tribal ne benta Posenya kinu ki company am kamu yok gi ya ka permission na ka government. Handai hawa pat ya ka jing ya daya the ya ka khandau man ga illegal claim kanu ka jing yok bor gi na ka state government. Ta ka wayu phla cho he to wa ka ni ka ya daya the khandau ko yong ki to wa mendapat ia kata ke komdair komplit ke yang kiwat orang bak cenong la memjing tipu udah loy la memjing tipu wat ke district council la memjing tip ga ya kan ni ke thau da dai da upa da sakhi da khon ta kan ni himan ga kayi ke open subaya ke sen ta hi kam ke sen da wai na audisi wa ta open sengek no mardor ya kan ni ka public hearing yang kan ni ke company ne ba ke komla yang kan ni ke company do yurot ga yaki ain yang ke sarkar jelah ta ikam ke JNC kuai wa open sengek nak mardor yaki ni ke public hearing kau ar ni ta kau i debu jing tho ya chau DC hejing ito wa ka wina commission ka yang i ke safe joint mission we hapo kan ni commission ida dawai na ke state government wa to m kata ka reservation policy ne bentar kini ki private company ki am hapo ke jelah Meghalaya ka yang i kenang yo man ga ke jing yo nong ya ki kon control yang kini ka jai bru ko yang ke bri hunyo trap hendres nyau si ong wa don ne sngi ke sarkar mpam lek ga ki halor kini ha kini ki company da wan gi bo kular iki ikra ya ki trevi ki tremuluk yang i hendres ke was nyau si ong i de sakhi da kini ki nyau prateli ki semen plan ki udah am chwa po kini ke district ke yang i yoi bo to maximum hi ki bo boni ki nong kra to kita ki bru ki wanabar temen tu kini ki company kular iki ikrek gi ya kini ki nong chong chunong tasnau thoi wa ka chunong dai stong le ne ka chunong nong ka ilaka nong khle wa ko bi dang man go ka ilaka ka wadang duna ki kena ki yang ka ki wada pura putih ta kijing terwaki yang kini ki company to do ya ki tre chunong dan him to ya ki nong chong chunong yang kejela wa ko bi ta kini hi man go kijing penbet ya pai ba ta i kwa i lada ka sarkar sakhiat kwa go wan ra kijing mento ya ki kon konro chna chwa ya ki ain hotel lakam ya kini ki company to MG kata ka memorandum of understanding ham to dia haperti ka chnong bagi ni ki company hende to M haperti ka government bagi ni ka company kenang wa in future la di kini ki company violate ki kini ki anyang ka sarkar i ye wa pilih ki cedo cha high court ne cha kinu ki bor ki wa halor rekam man kata ka agreement ki yang ki M godo wa ki chnong wa ki ilaka ta kini ki agreement man go ka wa strong hado kata ne tai da wi kwa wa ka state government to wan ra ka ya ka an wa yo jing mentai ki kon control yang kini ke jai bru yang ini pak sau thoi wa yo kra sarkar man go wasuk ta sau thoi la ke jing wan yang kini company ami ke jing yo nong am ke jing do nong ta ikam ke sen kwa wa tom hoi uman go ke jing do nong ta ka le ka wa yo dang ha kini ki sngi ki wa dadap dang nin ki nong chong chnong yang kedai stong da percha gi ya kini ke jing ANOC yang new wa ha chnong ya kini ke company hedging sakhiat kad ek company ANOC MKam wa chnong le ora chwa ha ka dor bar chnong ta ka yi ka was pau chalak ka ta pitit yoi wa ta ha chnong da wile or da override le ne da yajla ya ka dor bar chnong ta ka ni le man ga ki ka man percha ya ka ain yang ka district council ka wa cho le ka ilaka nong khle hi man ga ko wi ne ka ilaka ka wa ki bru nong chnong ha ta ka thau dang man gi ki nong rep telada kini ki company one kita ki cunong dau tak gaya ke rep karyang kayong ki tenete dau i kam ke JNC kwa i wa udisi open sengek mardaru ya kini ke public hearing dah ke jingi kelam kayong i wa udisi da eu i ke asuran wa to o dau iklamu wa ki bor ki wahalar kham tam wa chief secretary wa ki wa to sabu iklamu ada ni te dau chimgi ya ke rai ke wateng wat udisi le pediangu to ke jingle yang kini ke company man go ke wa bean te i kam ke sen kwa ya ke sarkar mo shim action ga ya kini ki bru ki wa you right ya ka anyong ka sarkar jela ka yang ilada i ela di kamni wa muslim de ki witawan ki company la daw you right ya ki an ki wada am lupa hapo kani ka state ka yang ite i kam ka sen lada ka sarkar hi wa mle ka ki helor kani imban se habi ulai kat kam kaluti ka yang i wa punman ya ki jingi ki wa pher kat kam wa cha ka constitution of India i kam ki nong chong yang kari India.
Meanwhile, villagers of Daistong in East Jaintia Hills were reported to have expressed strong opposition to a proposed cement plant by MS Shree Cement Limited, which is planned to be set up in the area. The Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board has scheduled a public hearing on the project for December 19, 2025 at Khara Siang Lumpershin, Daistong. According to reports, around 950 residents from 150 households are likely to be affected. The Farmers Association of Nongkle Ilaka was said to have submitted a memorandum to the Secretary of the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council raising objections to the project. Its secretary Philemon Suklan, reportedly stated that the proposed site is surrounded by vital cultivation and paddy fields that sustain the community. He alleged that the no objection certificate for the project was issued unilaterally by the village headman without consulting the villagers. Philemon Suklan was further quoted as saying that the Meghalaya Pollution Control Board notification came as a shock to the community, especially since their earlier memorandum of the 13th of October 2025 opposing the factory has not been acknowledged. He criticized local leaders, including an executive committee member, the Doloi and headman Himon Pajo, for failing to inform the villagers and approving the project without public consent. The Farmers Association reportedly vowed to continue resisting the proposal and appealed to the public, to the NGOs and the government to help safeguard the environment, farmland, water sources and air quality. Another villager, Shwa Paswet, recalled that during a village darbar held on the 8th of September 2025, it had been decided that any communication involving agreements with the executive committee members or village elders must be brought before the general darbar for approval. He alleged that the headman disregarded this decision and issued the NOC independently. He stressed that the entire village relies on cultivation and therefore rejects the unilateral action taken by the headman. The villagers were said to be exploring ways to prevent the establishment of the proposed cement factory in their area.
Kani tak kata thau lom karasiang lom persin. Sodong yang ana thau to ami heli warap yang nang senang i bat heli yang paramar dan senang la. Hani mana la kata i amada yopi heli sudong yang ni thau da am di heli wadarap kebai. Jing plan yang ki hani hajing singatho yang i man dai kata yawara ini heli wa haden habot ajing ram yang i dayap
nungkong nung sabrai laka to chna lum raksan dai am to chna ni madan lum bercin madan karasiang lum lot ko am to ani arem ong i machna hata raksan ame laka i arem ong i ame laka ingat bai rot besar